Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Redmi A1. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here try to find Firefox. Now select this browser and click install. After installation process is finished, you should be able to launch this app. Here we can customize the browser, so pick a different theme, switch your toolbar placement, sign in to Firefox to synchronize it between other devices. You can also change the privacy protection settings, and here read the privacy notice. Finally, click on Start Browsing, and the browser should be working fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.